two blades that we have, we've got the Mac 3 and the Mac 4, okay? They're both very easy to connect to basically the camera head. This is the on-off button. You simply should be able to turn it on and you should be ready to go. How you connect the camera piece in the back is just by simply
plugging it
in essence, plugging it in. There's an arrow that shows you which way. So you line that up, you click it in, take the camera, simply slide it in this way so your controls are on the outside. That just clicks in, illuminated immediately. And if you feel the need to white balance or change anything, you can certainly do that, but it should be pretty much ready to go. This is the tool bar, and we'll leave you with instructions on that. And this is how you can adjust the different light sources. You just go back that way. Record video, still pictures. You can also do that from the hand piece as well. This is record, on, off, and still pictures.
And when you hit record, does it show up somewhere that it's recording?
So if you watch on the screen, when I take a picture, these will grayscale out, and then go back, and that's your picture. Okay.
Okay, intubating. Again, it's just like a regular laryngoscope. You want to follow the curvature of the tongue. And much more with this device than with a regular laryngoscope. You're using it to get around the corner, and then you can lift, try to grab the epiglottis if you can. Get the view on the screen. You want a pretty good curve to your tube, and go ahead and follow your laryngoscope down. And then you can watch your... So there's our view. Tube going through the cords. And one of the tricks is that sometimes when you got that much of a curve on there, you got to start to slide it off your stylet at that point. I get somebody just to pull that stylet out for me. Good, I got it. Good. And then there's your tube conformation right there. Slide it back out. Well, that's the other thing to mention is the fact that you can see the tip. If you look on the screen, that right there is the tip of your laryngoscope. So that's always in your view no matter where you go. So that helps you with all your landmarks. Good as a confirmation device. If you find somebody with a tube already in place and you're wondering where it is, here it is, right through the cords. You can see it. So also can be used the same way we would do an intubation with the ETTI. Again, you're seeing where you want to be and find your landmarks. So let's say you're not getting as good of a view, and you would just go in with your view again, come in with your ETTI. Again, you see the tip of your blade. Watch that go right through. And at this point, you don't need to really confirm with the rings, but I can feel it. And then I would leave the blade in place. If you don't have a partner, then you do it all yourself. Slip on your endotracheal tube. Re-grab your handle again. Get your tongue out of the way the best you can. You can see you need to get the epiglottis out of the way. And down she goes. You might need that little turn. Good. You can do that for me, thank you. Pull out your ETTI and you're in.
If for some reason you're getting too much glare or something, you can adjust, this is the brightness, bright. You can turn that down, and you can also go in to turn it in here too.
And that would work if you're out in the sun or something like that?
Yes. Okay, so a few sort of troubleshooting things. If for some reason the screen doesn't show up, or it doesn't, it shuts off, or something happens that it shouldn't, this is how you hard reset. You have a paper clip which we'll leave in the case. There's a little button right down there that you just push it, and as you can see, it's just resetting. In terms of cleaning and sterilization, it's compatible with Stera, Steris, and I believe autoclaving as well. There is a stopper that protects the elements for the video that we just push this on like that, and it'll be good to go. In terms of keeping it charged at all possible times, it's smart to keep it plugged in, but you know, the battery will last a good amount of time. This is the charger plug, same as the camera plug, and then it's just a regular plug that you can just keep that in
Basically
there.
going to be testing this out and see what you guys think about it. So call me if you have any questions.